Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Salesforce org in VS Code. First, install Visual Studio Code, a powerful editor for development. Next, install the Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI, which provides essential commands. Then, add the Salesforce extension pack to VS Code for enhanced features. Finally, ensure you have the Java Development Kit installed and properly configured on your system. These foundational steps prepare your environment for seamless Salesforce development. Once your environment is ready, the next step is to authorize your Salesforce org. Open the command palette in VS Code and search for SFDX, authorize an org. You will then choose your login URL, such as a production or sandbox environment. Provide a memorable alias for your org, making it easy to reference later. This action will open a web browser for you to complete the standard Salesforce authentication flow, securely connecting your development environment. With your org authorized, you can now work with its metadata. Begin by creating a new Salesforce project, which can use a manifest or a package.xml file. Use the Salesforce CLI commands to retrieve specific metadata components from your connected org into your local project. After making your desired modifications to the files, you can then deploy these changes back to your Salesforce org. This cycle allows for iterative development and configuration management. To ensure a smooth development workflow, consider these best practices. Always use source control, such as Git, to manage your code versions and collaborate effectively. Regularly pull the latest changes from your Salesforce org to avoid conflicts and ensure you are working with current data. Always test your changes thoroughly in a sandbox environment before deploying them to a production org. Finally, keep your Salesforce CLI and VS Code extensions updated for the best performance and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.